in. Okay, so first we're gonna start when you first walk in and enter. Here is the wreath on my door. If you checked out my Vlogmas video, you would have seen me decorating my room, so you're gonna see a lot of Christmas decor. And behind there is my little, I guess you could say like a photo booth, so I can take like some pictures behind the like Christmas theme. So moving on to here, this is my little cubicle station. I have like, ooh, that's my wigs. I have some movies and like just some other stuff, just random stuff. And then I decided to add some pine cones to this little setup. Okay, so moving over here is my closet. That's not important, but we can just look at it. Okay, and then next, this is actually my filming setup, y'all. This is where I film all the videos you guys have seen me film. This is like my little mirror so I can see myself, and then it's just my whole desk setup. And if you want a desk tour, just let me know in the comments below. And this is my holiday festive like backdrop. As you can see, yes, it's crooked, but don't quote me. I'm gonna take it down. Okay, so moving on is my little nightstand. It's really not a nightstand, but it's like my nightstand. I leave my alarm clock here, my headphones, you know, so I want to listen to music. And this is just to sit my phone on because I be lazy sometimes, so, you know, little phone stand. And this is my bed. Yay! This is where I sleep, you know, by myself, obviously. I got this bedding from Ross. Good deal, by the way. And then some more Christmas decor, what you guys saw me do. And then moving over here is the window. I know in the video I had them on both sides, but they started falling, so I just put them on one side. Oh, I forgot to mention these little canvas things. Someone might see this video and like them. I got them from the store called Ann's Linen. And y'all, they went out of business, so y'all won't be able to get them, but I got them on a good deal when I did got them. Wow, can't even talk. Okay, moving on over here. This is my dresser. That's not important. Just basic stuff's in there, you know, panties, pajamas, you know. And then got the TV set up with the Roku right there. And then over here is my fridge. Yes, it's filled with water, I promise. And then our little tree that we decorated, y'all. And the little presents are for my little friends. Okay, moving on is my calendar up there. That's my little schedule, so I'll know to put up a Vlogmas video every day until the 25th. Then you got my printer. I don't use it as much now since I'm not in college. And then this is my garment rack. I decided to use it to decorate. This is actually my favorite part of the room, kind of, with the little wreath, how I did it, and the little stockings. And yeah, this is just an overview of my room. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Yes. Oh yeah, almost forgot. These are my shoes. These are not all my shoes. These are just the ones that can fit in here. Most of them are on top of the closet and inside the closet, but yeah, these are ones that fit. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed my room tour for Vlogmas Day 15. Wow, y'all, we are 15 days in. So I hope to see you all in the next one, and I'll talk to you soon. Toodles!